Good morning, dear students. All is well. Welcome back to computer class. This is Durgesh Pandey, your computer teacher. And today we are going to start chapter number 3rd, that is Advanced Features of Microsoft Word. So students, you know that Microsoft Word is a word processor software and it is developed by Microsoft and it is the part of Microsoft Office suite. It enables you to create, edit, format, print and save professional quality documents, letters, reports and resumes. Microsoft Word offers various effective features like inserting header and footer, creating tables that help in presenting information in systematic and organized manner, and it also provides mail merge features. So in this chapter we will learn about how can we add header and footer in the document, how can we insert table in Word document, modify tables and mail merge features of Microsoft Word. In this video, we will learn how can we insert header and footer in our document. The header and footer options lets you insert text or graphics at the top or bottom of each page in your document. A header is the top margin of each page and a footer is a bottom margin of each page. They are separate sections from the main documents and are often used to hold page number, footnote, title, chapter name, date and times and other information. We can insert a predefined header or footer or custom header or footer in our documents. Now in this video we will learn how can we inserting a predefined header or footer. So MS Word provides a list of predefined designs options for header and footer. So if you want to inserting a predefined header or footer, follow the given steps. First step is click on the Insert tab. So you can see that in the diagram. Click on the Insert tab. Okay. So when you click on Insert tab, then all options related to Insert tab will be displayed. Second step is click on the header or footer options in the header and footer group. A gallery of header or footer designs appears. So second step is click on header or footer option. In this example, we are selecting footer option. So when you click on header or footer option in the header and footer group, then gallery of header or footer designs appears. You can see that in the diagram. So when you click on header or footer option, then gallery of header or footer designs appears. Now third step is select the header or footer design you want. The outline of the header or footer entry box appears at the top or bottom of the page. The design tab also appear on the ribbon. So select any one design from this gallery. This is third step. Now fourth step is click on the placeholder or content controls and type the desired information to be inserted as header or footer. The control content are enclosed in square bracket. Some of the example of content controls are type text, type the company name, etc. So you can see that in the diagram. The content controls are enclosed in square bracket. So type the desired information to be inserted as header or footer. Now after adding the header or footer, click the close header and footer option on the design tab or press the escape key. Last step is click on the close header and footer option. So this is a very simple step to adding header or footer in your document. After knowing the process of inserting a predefined header or footer, we will learn how can we inserting a custom header or footer in our document. So follow the given step. First step is click on the insert tab. You can see that in the diagram. You have to click on insert tab. When you click on insert tab, then all the options related to insert tab will be displayed. Second step is click on the header or footer option. In the header and footer group, a gallery of header or footer design appears. So second step is click on the header or footer option. Then the option get displayed. Third step is click on the edit header or edit footer option. The outline of header or footer entry box appears at the top or bottom of the page. The design tab also appear on the ribbon. So click on the edit header or footer. In this example, we are taking edit footer. So click on edit header or footer option. The outline of header or footer entry box appear at the top or the bottom of the page. Now fourth step is place the insertion point at the desired position and type the information or insert the graphic and other content that you want in the header by using the option on the design tab. So you can insert more than one header or footer, custom header or footer. So in this example, we are taking footer with date. So you can insert date, page number, and picture. Okay. So I am taking footer with date, page number, and picture. Last step is after adding the header or footer, click the close header and footer option on the design tab or press the escape key. So you can see that in the diagram. In the footer section, date, page number, and picture will display where in the footer section. After adding header or footer, click on close header and footer option on the design tab. So this is very simple step to inserting a custom header or footer. So students, I hope you have understood the concept of what is header and footer, inserting a custom header or footer, inserting a predefined header or footer. In the next video, I will explain you how can we insert table in the document and how can we modify table in the Word document. Till that time, bye bye, take care.